Hello everybody. Today we got a demonstration of this random home decorators collection ceiling fan. I don't remember the model name. I saw the box when they put this thing in, but I don't remember what it was called. It's remote control, so if you know what it is, let me know. So light, this replaced the brass Hunter Westminster, by the way. Start up on low. This is installed in the master bedroom. Got all this nice crown molding everywhere. This is a pretty room. And then in the bathroom, there used to be, in that spot, there was no exhaust fan. There used to be the Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus. Yeah, here's this thing on low. It is moving air. Pretty good amount too, not gonna lie. It has a slight motor hum to it, but it's fine. Show you the light. The remote's kind of finicky. There, finally. Took a minute. I don't hate this fan. I don't mind the look of it. It doesn't look horrible, I feel. It's definitely not my favorite, but you know. It's moving pretty good amount of air. It's a decently powerful fan blowing the curtain around over there. If you can see it on camera, I don't know if it picks it up. I don't know a finish. I think it's oil rub bronze. Has like gold accents or bronze accents on it. Show you the light. And let's go to high. And for being a newer fan, this is decently powerful. And it doesn't wobble horribly. It definitely wobbles. The camera can't pick it up. It's not bad at all. Moving a lot of air now. You should be able to see the curtains. Yeah. Show you the light. Has a cool step-up globe on it. Going very fast. So yeah, it's gonna go ahead and do it for this fan. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't know what it is. Let me know if you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.